weather gets hot, you could still bake amazing bread with the help of your grill. In this video, I'll teach you how to make toasty naan stuffed with an Indian take on pesto. First, we fill the dough with a mixture of mint, cilantro, garlic, ginger, and mild white cheese. Then, we'll take them outside and grill them so they're nice and charred, the perfect side dish for lamb burgers or tandoori chicken. Combine 1 pound, 7½ ounces all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons granulated sugar in the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the dough hook. Whisk together a ½ cup plain whole milk yogurt and a large egg in a medium bowl. Then whisk in 1½ cups of lukewarm water and a ¼ cup of peanut or canola oil. Pour the egg mixture into the flour mixture and mix on low speed until a soft, sticky dough starts to clump around the hook, about 5 minutes. If the dough seems too wet, add more flour, 1 teaspoon at a time. Line a baking sheet with parchment and dust it lightly with flour. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and divide it into 10 equal pieces. Form each piece into a ball and arrange them on the baking sheet. Lightly brush the dough with oil, cover it with plastic, and let it rest for at least 1 hour and up to 2 hours before shaping. While the dough rests, make the filling. Combine 1½ cups roughly chopped cilantro, ½ cup of roughly chopped mint, a ¼ cup of unsalted cashews or blanched almonds, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh ginger, and a teaspoon of kosher salt in a food processor. Pulse until the ingredients are finely chopped. Scrape the sides of the bowl, turn the food processor back on, and pour 6 tablespoons of peanut or canola oil through the feed tube, mixing until it's fully incorporated. Transfer it to a medium bowl. Crumble 3½ ounces of farmer cheese or queso fresco into a small bowl. You should have 2/3 cup. Now it's time to shape and stuff the breads. On a lightly floured surface, roll one of the dough balls into a 5-inch circle. Spread about 2 teaspoons of the filling in the center, leaving a ½ inch border. Scatter 1 tablespoon of the crumbled cheese over the filling. Gather the border to form a pouch, pinching it to seal in the filling. Turn the pouch pinch side down and using very light pressure, roll it into a 6-inch circle. Transfer it to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Continue filling and shaping the rest of the dough, layering parchment between the breads as you stack them. Prepare a medium charcoal or gas grill fire. Brush the grill grates with a stiff brush, then wipe with a lightly oiled paper towel. Grill the breads in batches, pinch side down, with the cover on, until they look puffy and the undersides are lightly browned in some places, about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn over and cook the other side, also covered, until grill marks form and the breads are cooked through, another 2 to 4 minutes. Just before taking them off the grill, turn the breads pinch side down and brush lightly with a little melted butter. Sprinkle them with a pinch of kosher salt. Cut each bread in half and serve them warm.